Hello, Mr. Gavin here again. I know you guys hear that a lot. Well, at least if you hear that a lot, that means you're watching the videos, and I appreciate that very much. I'm just trying to help you guys out and make sure we're in the right folder, going on the right direction, and finishing the assignments how they're supposed to be finished. I will keep this one nice and short for you. We're in Monday, 11/9, okay, November 9th, week 5, quarter 2. That is the folder I am in. The story is called Once Upon a Beauty, okay? It's the story of Medusa. Once you're there, you guys know the process. And here we are. Okay, it is a short story. Bingo, just 2 pages for you. Okay, here is the title, Story of Medusa. It's broken down, should not take you that long to read. The longest part will take you is to mark up the text. Make sure we are doing that so you can receive full credit. And down at the bottom, it shows you exactly how to mark up the text. Pretty similar to how we mark up everything we read. Question mark if you're confused or if you have a question. An exclamation point if you are excited or you find something interesting in the story. A star by the main idea. And a W. Okay, a W by wonder. Okay, you can also use your own annotation marks. Okay, if you want to come up with your own to kind of help you understand the story better, that is totally fine with me. Okay, but make sure we are doing so as we read throughout the story. I'm going to go ahead and kind of help us out on this first one. So I'm going to read this short first paragraph to you. A long time ago, there lived a breathtaking maiden, Medusa, who resided in Athens, Greece. There were hundreds of thousands of maidens in her town, but she reigned supreme and was easily recognized as the fairest of them all. Okay, so a couple things maybe I want to highlight. I noticed if I use my markup tool here, okay, I know who my main character is. Let's see. Oh, Athens. Here we go. Nope, sorry. Athens, Greece. That's the setting. Okay, so that might be important to highlight. A breathtaking maiden, Medusa. There we go. There's my main character. So I might want to use a different color to highlight my main character. And main idea is it tells me to put a star around. So maybe if I know that's a main character, there might be something of importance to me. So I want to go ahead and get this drawing tool. And I'm just going to star Medusa because I know Medusa, and I apologize, not a very good star. But you get the point and you understand that you know when going back to answer questions, Medusa is going to be a main character. Okay? Maybe I'm confused and I don't know what the word reigned means. So I put a question mark. Okay, by reigned, so I know I can go back later and look it up if I need that in my answer. Okay, simple. Quick 2 sentences in the first paragraph, but look how much marking I've done. And just, it takes simple. It only took me a few seconds. Now I know where my story is set. I can go back and look at that. I know who my main character might be. And I have a question mark by range, so later I know to go back and look that up so I can understand the story much better. Okay, so you're going to go through, read the short story, mark it up. Maybe next to the climax or something I recognize, I would go ahead and put an exclamation point. Okay, maybe I put a couple because I found it really exciting. All of those things are going to help you when you get to the bottom for answering these questions. Okay, so make sure you're doing that throughout the text. It does not require a lot, but simple notes along the way will help trigger your memory so you can have an easier time getting the correct answer as you move throughout the assignment. Okay. And as we go down, like I said, I'm going to try to keep this video short because I know we do a lot of them. But you're just going to answer these 6 questions below. Okay, make sure when it says evidence that you pull evidence from the story to support your answer. Okay, exact evidence. You could paraphrase or you can quote it. Okay, make sure if you quote it, you have quotes around it. And you reference the author and who you got or where you got the information from. Okay. If I found an answer in this paragraph, paragraph 2, I might start it off with in paragraph 2, comma, the author says, and then I start my quote there, okay, for my evidence. Make sure you explain your quote after here. It gives you plenty of lines to do so, similar to our race format. Okay, you're going to go ahead and multiple choice for 2 and 3 and 4. 5 asks you to underline 3 reasons that prove Medusa deserved to be punished. So you're going to go back in the text and you're going to actually physically underline the 3 reasons, okay, that prove that Medusa deserved to be punished. Okay, then you're going to take those 3 pieces of evidence that you underlined and you are going to paraphrase them below with a text box for each. Okay, pretty much explaining, okay, or giving reason for what you underlined and the proof that you found for number 5. All right, and number 6, very similar. Write 2 details that help readers understand the theme. Okay, remember, theme. Key one I want to go over real quick. Theme, and that is a terrible circle, but I'm trying. Theme is the lesson learned. Okay, it's a literary element of ours. Theme is the lesson that my character learned or the lesson that is given throughout. There might be multiple themes, okay? A lot of stories contain multiple themes. So you can go ahead and pick one. Oh, excuse me. Write 2 details. So you can either have 2 different themes or you can have 1 theme and you supply evidence, 2 pieces of evidence for that one particular theme. And you go ahead and you write the theme below. All right? All kinds of different themes that there could be. Ones that I can think of that we've read in past stories. Don't bite off more than you can chew was one we've learned. Don't lie, I think, was another one in Phaethon that we learned. And there's all kinds of different themes. So pretty much whatever that main character learned throughout the course of the story would be the theme. Alrighty, and then that is it for this assignment. It's a short story. Make sure you're marking it up and answering those questions below before you get to the top and turn in. Alrighty, good job, 7th grade. Keep up the good work. Remember, this is your assignment for Monday, November 9th. Story, Once Upon a Beauty. Have a good day. Let us know if you have any questions, as always.